Renowned footballer Victor Osimhen opens up about his past struggles as he recalls doing many a job to earn a living. He spoke this while being recently interviewed by the media personality Daddy Freeze. According to him, he used to fetch water for his neighbors as a young boy. For others, he would clean their Spirogyra-filled gutters for 30 naira. Osimhen said,
because I think God is the one directing my footsteps, and He's just using me for His glory. Because from where I came from, if you go on the street and you ask 50 people that, who do you think will make it out of this place so big? They will never call my family's name.
Are you serious?
100%. They will never. Do you know what it means? Disgrace upon disgrace. They took out the roof of our house. There was rain. Every time the owner of the house stay on his balcony and talk about how my dad was owing him. Just us.
Where's your dad now?
He's gone. 2020.
Oh, man, were you able to take care of him small?
Most definitely. Most definitely. It was just because I have one regret in my life now.
What?
And my mom wasn't able to, never. That's the only thing. That's the only regret. Whatsoever happened, I don't care. Me, I don't care. It's just her. It's just her.
But your dad at least was able to.
Yeah.
You're able to. What did you do for him while he was alive?
For me, I did a lot. Since 2014 that I broke up with the national team, because I started with the national team. I've been taking the responsibility of the family. I told my brother to stop, because he's tried enough for us. He's done so much for us. Our big brother has done so much. To be honest, it's not because I'm in the interview. I've told him in person. Even when I broke out, when I became a pro, I've told him, I said, wait now. You go stop. You don't try for us. Now, calm down. Maybe sit down.
Make last born take over.
And all those type of things. So, glory be to God. Everyone is good. You know how these elderly people are. My dad just liked to be in his corner. So, when I signed for my first pro contract, we didn't tell him we wanted to buy a house for him. I spoke to my brother. I said, say your papa no will come up for that place. You're deep into something. It's hard for people to pull you. So he also never believed that I'm going to become a pro. And he never watched me on TV. The friends only said to him, your son, they play ball. So the only time he watched me on TV is when we were playing the World Cup under 17 in Chile. My sisters had to take him to our neighbor that has a gen to watch me for the very first time in his life.
Did you win that game?
Yeah, we won. We took the final.
Oh.
So after that time, before we got the house for him, I spoke to my brother. I said, I think we tell him. He said no. He never won't come, because he never believed that he can become a landlord. And then my brother strategized everything. We got the house, furnished everything. Everything was good, and we said, come go see something. And then we were able to
take you.
From there to Magodo Estates, showed him, and he went on his knees. A grown man was crying and everything, because everything was set. His car, the house, everything was there. And for me, it's not about being so. I don't care. I just want to be able to wake up every morning to see that my family has the roof over their head, that is theirs. Is a kind of
blessing,
to be honest. To be honest, because even when I went to Abuja, I told you the story already. I was shaking, because I know how it is, going there, looking for greener pasture and everything. Not sure if you're gonna make it or not. So it was. Now the story was good, but as at that time it was brutal.
While Osimhen's experience has sparked reactions online, share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching NaijaNews TV.